How to sell clothes on TikTok Shop. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to sell different clothing in TikTok Shop. So first things first, navigate to your seller center. Look over here on the left side, you have product list under the home page option. Click on add new product and then we will be redirected to another page where you will be able to add necessary information for the product you're trying to sell. So you have here your product image, simply upload the necessary photos with different angles and you are guided over here. As you can see, you have a primary, secondary, different angle, in use, variation. You have some sort of a guide for the type of images. Then important things, you have to put in very informative product name for that specific clothing that you're trying to sell. And then over here under categories, make sure that you select the specific clothing type under here because there's different categories of course of clothing. So make sure that you select the correct one and the specific one to allow your product to be sold much efficiently. Then simply enter the other necessary information that will pop up under the add new product. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.